Once you have logged on to Clever, click on the Seesaw button. Take a look to the right. Do you see your teacher's name? If not, go over to the left and click on the gray box. Then click on your teacher's name. Now that we have our teacher's name, we're going to click on the Activities button. And all of our activities for the day will be here on the left for us to select. Right now, we're going to practice Be a Tour Guide. I can play the instructions to listen to what I'm supposed to do.
Tap the Add button. Use the video button to record yourself telling your class about your favorite spot inside or outside your home, or about one of your favorite things at home. Your video should be 1 minute or less. Be creative. Tap the check button to submit your work.
Okay, in order to start this activity, we're going to click Add Response. Remember, if we forget what we need to do, we can always review the directions at the top and listen to them by clicking the play button. Now, a tour guide is somebody who describes what's going on. So if I were to go to an aquarium, the tour guide would give me information and tell me all about the fish or the sharks, or the different animals, different sea life at the aquarium. If I were to go to a museum, the tour guide would tell me about paintings and sculptures that I could see at the museum. You have the option, okay, to tell us about a favorite spot in your house, or maybe a favorite place outside, or you can show us a favorite object and describe it to us. So your video should be 1 minute or less. And what I'm going to do first is, because I don't want my video to appear on this page, I'm going to click over here on page number 2. Then I'm going to click the camera button. Now we've practiced taking a photo before. Today we're going to practice taking a video. So go ahead and click video. Now you can see yourself, or if your video is in a different direction, that's what you'll see. So like the photo button, there's 3 different spots, and you can choose any one of those spots and it will start recording. So I'm going to go ahead and start recording. It'll give you a countdown, and then you can share. So you can either walk around to show us something inside or outside your house, or you can show us an object. Okay, this is the back of my phone case, and it has a picture of my dog Manny. Now I've had Manny for about 9 years. Okay, he loves to be outside, he loves to take walks and ride in the car. There are so many things I could tell you about my dog Manny. Okay, but I want to pay attention to the time here at the top where it's recording, because I don't want my video to be more than 1 minute right now. Sometimes we'll record things and it can be longer than a minute, but right now we're going to keep our video to 1 minute or less. Okay, when I'm all done recording, I can hit the pause button. Okay, and now I'm going to click the word done with the check mark, and my video has appeared here. Okay, you can change the size of your video if you want to. Okay, if there's a lot of other things we can do, but right now we're just focusing on that video piece. Okay, so I can see that I can click back to the first page, and I can click to the second page. Okay, and my video's here, and when I'm all done, I'm going to click the green circle with the check mark to submit my work to my teacher. Sometimes it takes a minute to upload. A video takes up more space than a picture or a drawing might. Okay, so when that's all done, it'll take you back to the main page in Seesaw,